Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something massive to talk about, and I mean that literally. The 2025 Bulldozer 726 is finally here, and it's not just a machine, it's a monster of modern engineering built for power, precision, and pure performance. Now whether you're in construction, excavation, mining, or you're just obsessed with big heavy equipment like this is one beast you absolutely need to see to believe, because Caterpillar has outdone itself this time. From raw horsepower to cutting-edge AI controls, let's dive into what makes the Bulldozer 726 not just the future of earth-moving, but the future of intelligent machinery. So starting off with the engine. This thing is equipped with a 1200-horse hybrid diesel powertrain. Yes, you heard that right, hybrid diesel, meaning not only are you getting that old-school torque and muscle, but you're also stepping into the green zone with up to 30% improved fuel efficiency over its predecessor, the 2022 model. Now that's impressive, and with rising fuel costs, this couldn't come at a better time. But it doesn't stop there. The Bulldozer 726 comes with Caterpillar's new IntelliGrade system version 4.0, which uses machine learning and real-time GPS to auto-level terrain within a tolerance of just 1 centimeter. And yes, that's basically surgical precision for dirt. Imagine that kind of accuracy on a site that normally takes a week to prep, being done in 3 days flat. That's money saved and deadlines crushed. And let's talk about the blade. The 726 comes standard with a 15-foot wide semi-U blade made of reinforced carbon titanium alloy. Not only is it lighter and more durable than traditional steel, it's also equipped with vibration dampening tech, which reduces operator fatigue by over 40% during long shifts. And I know you guys are wondering about the cab, because let's be honest, the operator experience matters, and Caterpillar knows it. They've redesigned the cab from the ground up. We're talking about 360-degree panoramic glass, upgraded HVAC with ionized filtration, ergonomic joystick controls with haptic feedback, and a fully adjustable air ride seat with lumbar memory settings that auto-adjust based on the operator's logged profile. Yes, the Bulldozer knows who's driving and tailors the seat and controls accordingly. How wild is that? And in case you're thinking this is just another fancy gimmick, Caterpillar has doubled down on productivity metrics with real-time feedback on blade angle, track tension, fuel, load, soil, composition, and slope prediction, all displayed on a 15-inch multi-touch display that looks like it belongs in a Tesla. And speaking of Tesla, did I mention the 726 has semi-autonomous mode? That's right, you can pre-program a job site layout, and the Dozer will execute basic grading and material distribution, all on its own, with full obstacle detection, thermal scanning, and collision avoidance. So yes, this thing can literally think for itself. And no, we're not quite at Skynet level yet, but we're getting close now. If you're concerned about durability, let's talk testing. Caterpillar reportedly ran this thing for 9,000 hours straight in mixed environments, including -30-degree tundra and desert heat at over 120 degrees Fahrenheit with 0 critical failures, and that's backed up by their new 5-year limited powertrain warranty and 24/7 remote diagnostics with OTA software updates, so your Bulldozer 726 is always running on the latest firmware, just like your phone. Now what really blew my mind is the noise level, or rather the lack of it. The hybrid system and vibration tech reduced cabin noise to under 70 decibels. That's quieter than most pickup trucks, meaning you can actually hear the built-in Bluetooth speaker system. Yes, there's a Bluetooth speaker in this thing, and it's not a joke. You can take calls, stream music, and even get weather alerts in real time. And if you're worried about theft or unauthorized use, there's facial recognition, ignition, and geofencing. So this machine literally will not start unless it recognizes an authorized face, and it will shut itself down if it leaves a GPS-approved perimeter. And in terms of customization, Caterpillar is offering the 726 in 3-track configurations: standard, wide, and extreme terrain, with optional rear rippers, GPS, antennas, blade heaters for cold climates, and even a paint customization program so you can actually match your fleet colors or company branding. I know that sounds like a gimmick, but when you roll up to a site with a matte black Bulldozer 726, you're not just getting attention, you're getting remembered, and that can make all the difference when bidding on big projects. And now the big question: pricing. While exact MSRP will vary by region and features, the base model is reportedly starting at around $980,000. But with federal green energy credits and Caterpillar's new leasing program, most contractors are getting these in the field for under $10,000 a month, which is actually incredible considering the productivity boost and maintenance savings over older models. And if you're wondering whether it's field tested yet, yes, the first 100 units have already been deployed across major infrastructure projects in Texas, Nevada, and Canada, and the early feedback has been nothing short of legendary. Operators are saying it handles like a dream, turns tighter than smaller machines, and absolutely eats through tough soil without breaking a sweat. And get this, it comes with a built-in drone Launch system, not kidding, there's a rear compartment that holds a mini drone that can be launched for aerial terrain mapping inspection and progress reporting, and it syncs directly to the onboard display. Now if that doesn't scream next gen, I don't know what does. In fact, this machine is so advanced, Caterpillar has said that the 726 will form the foundation for their 2030 autonomous job site vision, where fleets of machines communicate and coordinate with no human input. And honestly, after spending time with this thing, that future doesn't seem far away at all now. If you've made it this far, drop a comment below and let me know what feature blew your mind the most. Was it the autonomous mode, the facial ignition, the drone system, or maybe just the sheer raw power of this machine? Also, let me know if you want to see a field test video where we put this thing through its paces on real terrain, because trust me, I've got access to one and it's gonna be wild. Don't forget to like this video if you found it interesting and subscribe, because we've got more heavy machinery reviews, tests, and comparisons coming up, including a showdown between this beast and the 2025 Komatsu D375 Ox. And yeah, that's gonna be a clash of titans. Thanks for watching, stay safe out there, and keep building Big C. You in the next one.